Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the top tricks on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, so let's begin. So first, let's start with getting into the settings. And now we want to scroll down until we find the advanced features. And in here, as you can see, we have a bunch of options, but I'm gonna describe you the most interesting. So if you go to the intelligent features, as you can see, we have options in here such as object eraser, edit suggestions, custom filters, AI select, and read aloud. Also below you can read for yourself the terms and conditions. And in here you need to be logged into your Google account. And then you simply click on continue, this big blue button right in here under my finger. Okay, so that's the options. I'm gonna show you how those options work. So I'll show you the object eraser, the AI select, and the custom filters. So let's begin with the object eraser. I took a photo a few seconds ago to show you how this works. So we have this photo, we have this small plant, and to erase this object, we need to simply click on those stars button in the middle. Okay, now it's gonna analyze the photo, and in here below we have the object eraser. So now, using your finger, you need to select the plant, just like this, and in here you can also erase the shadow and erase reflections. So simply click on erase. And now, as you can see, I have successfully get rid of this plant, which is right in here. So now we need to simply click on save, or also you can save this as a copy. And now let's try to erase the shadows. It is right in here. So click on erase shadows. Now again, we need to wait a little bit until the process is finished. And now, as you can see, the shadows have been successfully and automatically removed from the photo. Also, again, you can click on save or save as copy. And that's the photo with the shadows, and that's without. Okay, back into, and now let's go with the AI select. So basically, if you click on AI select, in here you have possible options what to do with this mode. So use this action to pin and edit images, extract and copy text, call phone numbers, locate addresses, turn videos into GIFs, and more. And also you click on more intelligent features. You have again those full list. So let's access the AI select. It is right in here in this bar. To open this bar, just simply swipe from the right to the left, and on the top we have our AI select. So now tap or draw anything on the screen. So I'm gonna select the part of the screen using my finger. I just draw a circle, and in here we have our options. This one under my finger with the T in the middle is the text reader. So in here, as you can see, it selected the text in this window, and in here you can copy it by clicking this button or pin it. Okay, so again, let's select the part of the screen, and let's click on set as wallpaper. And in here you can enable to set this partial screenshot as lock screen, home screen, or both of them for both options. But I'm not gonna do that for now. Let's go back into the AI select. I'll again draw. Also, if you click on those three dots in here, you can create a GIF from this. And in here you can select the quality of this video. It can be high or standard. And then you need to simply click on record. By clicking the stop, you stop the process. Okay. back again into the AI select by clicking this button first from the left. It selects this part of the screen, and in here you can draw. You can also use the rubber by clicking this arrow. You go to the previous settings, so you simply get rid of this action, but also you can get back to it by clicking the arrow that is pointing to the right. This button here allows you to share. You can use the quick share for messages, Gmail, photos, Drive, Outlook, Bluetooth, Print, Maps, and on more you have more apps. And by clicking this arrow pointing down, you just simply save the selected area. Just to make sure that it has been saved, let's go into gallery, and now as you can see, it is stored. Okay, so again, the AI select. Let's draw. By clicking this pin button, you simply pin the selected area on your phone. And now as you can see, I can still do other things on the phone, and in here I have this pinned image. By clicking the X icon, you'll exit this. Also, if you hold this, you can place it anywhere on the screen. In here you minimize it, so in here now you have this small icon with the pin, and to open it simply click on it, and again it's a big. Okay, so let's go back into the settings, and now we can go with the Bixby. So Bixby is basically the Samsung AI. In here you need to simply click on continue. Okay, and to enter the Bixby you need to hold the power button, sorry. And now as you can see, the Bixby has been successfully
no big deal.
enabled. So in here you can use your keyboard, but also give the voice comments. So I'm gonna show you an example how the AI works. So let's say you don't want to, type in the browser something, you can simply ask the AI to do it for us. So let's say I want to know who was the first man on the moon, and I don't need to type it in the browser. I can simply ask the AI to get my answer. So I'm gonna use the voice comment to show you. Who was the first man on moon?
Neil Armstrong.
And now as you can see, I have my answer. In here also we have the source, nasa.gov, and if you click on it, then continue. It also shows you the original source. Okay. Also, now we can go into the motions and gestures, and in here also we have a few options that Samsung provides us. So we have options such as lift to wake, double tap to turn on screen, double tap to turn off screen, alert when phone picked up, mute with gestures, palm swipe to capture. So I'm gonna show you how these options work. So now I just enabled the lift to wake. Turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. So let's shut down the screen, and now when I'll lift the phone, it should unlock. Okay, it didn't unlock because I have my pattern, but as you can see, the screen has been awaked. Okay, so this is how this option works. Back into the settings, double tap to turn on screen. I double tapped, the screen wakes up, and when I'll double tap again, it will go black. Okay, back into the settings. Alert when phone picked up. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call. Currently, I'm not receiving any calls, so I'm not gonna show you how this works. But also we have mute with gestures, mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So to mute the call, you simply place your hand over the screen, but also you can turn the phone upside down and it will mute the call. And the last option, which is palm swipe to capture. So in other phones, you take the screenshot by performing this kind of move, by swiping your fingers, 3 fingers over the screen, or by clicking the power button and the volume down. That's the basic option to take a screenshot. As you can see, I took it. I'm gonna show you again. So that's the basic option to create a screenshot, but I'm gonna show you the other option, which is by the palm swipe. So you need to hold your hand like this and then swipe over the screen. So I'm gonna do this from the left to the right. And now, as you can see, the screenshot has been successfully saved. You can see it right in here, but to make sure, let's go into our gallery. And as you can see, this is the screenshot taken by the palm swipe, and this is by the combination of those buttons. Okay. So, thank you all for watching. That's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.